2 years ago, I was a walking zombie. My brain was fried. I'd wake up, grab my phone, scroll Instagram for 45 minutes, feel that quick hit of dopamine, then crash into a day of zero focus. Emails? Ignored. Gym? Skipped. Side hustle? Dreamed about it but never touched it. I was making $2,500 a month at a job I hated, living in a shoebox apartment and wondering why life felt like quicksand. The worst part? I knew it was the endless digital hits, likes, notifications, reels, that had hijacked my reward system. But quitting? Yeah, right. Everyone said moderation, but moderation felt like failure. Then I read about dopamine detox. Not the trendy, no screens for a week BS, but the real deal. A structured reset to rewire your brain's motivation circuits. I was skeptical as hell. Sounded like pseudoscience for burnt-out tech bros. But I was desperate, so I committed to a 21-day protocol. No sugarcoating. It sucked, but it saved me. Here's exactly how I did it, step by step, and what happened. Day 1 to 3, the hard cutoff, zero stimuli. I went cold turkey on all high dopamine triggers. No social media, no YouTube, no video games, no porn, no junk food, no caffeine. My phone stayed on Do Not Disturb in another room. Instead, I filled the void with boring activities. Walking in the park, reading paper books, journaling by hand. The first 48 hours? Withdrawal hell. Irritability, boredom, phantom itches to check notifications. My brain was screaming for hits like a junkie. But by day 3, the fog lifted a little. I noticed birds chirping. My thoughts slowed. It was like hitting reset on a lagging computer. Days 4 to 7, the boredom embrace, low stimulus zone. This was the make or break phase. I didn't just avoid bad stuff, I actively sought boredom. 20 minutes of staring at a wall each day. Long, unhurried showers without podcasts. Cooking dinner from scratch with no music. The goal? Teach my brain that calm is the new baseline. Dopamine thrives on novelty. Strip it away, and your natural motivation kicks in. I started craving real work. Fixing a leaky faucet felt euphoric. By day 7, I hadn't checked my phone in 168 hours. I slept 8 hours straight for the first time in years. No more 3 a.m. doom scrolling. Days 8 to 14, the rebuild, intentional dopamine sources. Now the fun part. I reintroduced rewards, but on my terms. Only after completing tasks. Wrote 500 words, 10 minutes of classical music. Finished a workout, a square of dark chocolate. The rule, effort first, hit second. This flipped my brain from chase the high to earn the high. I tackled my side hustle, built a simple email list, landed my first client for $800. Focus sharpened like never before. I read 3 books that week, something I hadn't done since college. The boredom from phase 2 made everything feel meaningful again. Days 15 to 21, the integration, sustainable habits. The final week was about locking it in. I allowed measured screen time, 30 minutes per day for essentials, but with apps like Freedom blocking distractions. I added daily dopamine meals, sunlight walks, deep conversations, creative hobbies. No more all or nothing. By day 21, the detox wasn't a challenge anymore. It was my default. I woke up excited, not obligated. My income jumped to $4,200 per month from that one client plus referrals. Anxiety? Gone. Relationships? Better. I was present, not checked out. The science behind it all? Dopamine isn't just feel good, it's your motivation molecule. Chronic hits from screens and sugar desensitize receptors, leading to that nothing excites me void. Detox restores sensitivity, per studies from the Journal of Neuroscience. It's not magic, it's biology. But here's the truth most guides skip. It's 80% mental. You have to want the discomfort more than the comfort. If you're like I was, stuck in the scroll cycle, chasing highs that leave you empty, this works. Start small, one day. Commit to the boredom. Your future self will thank you. I've got a free 21-day detox guide in the description. Grab it, try it, report back. Comment your biggest dopamine trigger below. Mine was Instagram Reels. You in? Let's detox together.